What's up, everybody? Today I'll be showing you how I create my mockups for my print-on-demand store. Um, that's powered by Printified, and then I'm using WordPress. I'm gonna show you how I create my mockups for my shirts. Well, I'm gonna show you how I create the models. So here, I just give ChatGPT prompt and then tell ChatGPT to create a model for mockup and white t-shirt. So let's say if I wanted to, I said create another, since I already told it what to do, create another young, young male. Now, why that's doing this thing or whatnot, um, here are some of the mockups that I already created. All these are AI generated. So I put my image right on top of the shirt, even the background, as you can see here, here. So all these are shirts that you can actually order. So let me give you an example. Let's go to, let's say this, yeah, let's just do this one here. Let me go find it. I think it is girl. Okay, let's see. Not that one. So that one there is here. So say if I click on that and let's do it in the yellow. So now that I got the yellow, let's save. Let's just save image as. I'm just going to save it. And then I'm going to upload it. Then I'm going to bring it in and remove background. And then I can place it here in the background. Let me fade this down a little bit. Oops, not her. Let's move that over. The yellow's a little bit different, but that's one way you can do it. Create your mockups. And let's check on. So here he is. Hit download, save. Then what I'm going to do is add another page, upload. Now I'm using Canva Pro, so I can remove the background. And I'm also using ChatGPT paid version. So let's say if I wanted to use this one here, just shrink it down. And there we go. Okay, now that we got that done, I'm gonna add those mockups, but I first need to export them. So let's just go here to share, download, and it's gonna create a zip. I forgot to tell you, I have everything on as 300 by 300 pixels, and I'm gonna export as PNG. Oops, I did it twice. That's right, I'll just cancel one of them. Okay, now that we got that, let's exit that one. Let's go in and need to go into pictures here. And here, let's extract that. Extract all. Okay, so these are all my mockups here. So I'm going to log into here, into my site. And let's go to the front page. And let's edit with Elementor. Sometimes I use Elementor and then sometimes I use Divi. So, single page. There we go. So I'm just going to add here Flexbox. We can do that one there. Then I'm going to do image. Actually, let's do gallery. Let's see, gallery here. And let's add my images. Upload. And okay, we got everything here. Create new gallery. These all the images will be in my gallery. Insert. And let's see, let's do random. And let's see, grid layout. Let's see, let's try masonry. And I think spacing is good. Yes, I'll do single. That way to show each one of them. And let's take the spacing away. And there you have it. So whenever someone visits this page here, they're going to see this here. Let's make this full width. There we go. I think it looks better that way. And let's publish. Okay, shrink that down. Let's refresh this page. You see, it's just that simple. You just click on it. Well, that's about it right there. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and then also click on the notification bell and also share. Thank you. I'm out.